Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a subscription on Shopify. Before I begin with this video, I can offer you 3 days of Shopify completely for free and then $1 for your first month. So you don't have to pay 32 euros, you will only have to pay €1, and that's it. So if you want to delete a subscription plan, it's pretty simple. If you're on a desktop, you need to go to Shopify admin, go to subscription plans, select the subscription plan that you want to delete, click delete, and delete plan to confirm your choice. If you're on iPhone or Android, again, go to Shopify app, go to app sections, tap subscription plans, and then the paths are the same as on the desktop. Just click on the subscription plan you want to delete, then tap delete and delete plan. Same thing for an Android. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want the offer for Shopify, click the link in the description.